Okay, I left out one about age. Any time that you say somebody's age in Spanish in the past, you're going to use tenía and however many años. Always, it's always imperfect, 100% of the time. So something like Raúl tenía 10 años. You're just describing how old he was. All right, so we've covered everything on this list, the uses of preterite and the uses of imperfect. In general, though, when you're thinking in English and trying to figure out if the answer would be preterite or imperfect, here's something that will help you. Preterite is like I read, I studied, I went, I saw. It's like that ed ending. Imperfect is more like I was reading, I was studying, I used to go, I used to wake up, I used to read. Those things where it's just kind of like I used to. The other thing that sometimes helps is associating certain phrases, but I would not trust these 100% because now that you know a little bit more about preterite and imperfect, these are not going to work as easily as they did in Spanish too. Things like hoy, ayer, el año pasado, el martes pasado, esta mañana, de repente, which means suddenly, a las 10, all those are going to probably be preterite, but you still have to read very carefully to make sure. Don't ever just see ayer and assume that it's going to be preterite because I might be describing, okay? Same with imperfect. When you see things like siempre, nunca, generalmente, a menudo, muchas veces, todos los martes, it's probably going to be imperfect. But again, don't assume. Read the sentence carefully, analyze it. There might be reasons why it would have that, but then be preterite, okay? The ones in the middle, mientras and cuando, they're a heads up. They usually introduce either two ongoing actions or an ongoing action that gets interrupted or maybe two preterite actions. So heads up when you see mientras and cuando, really think about which one's the completed action, which one is just either ongoing or describing. Okay, I hope that helps, and you are ready to take your little Edmodo quiz right now.